Hello everyone. Today, as I said previous day, that we will be continuing with the question answers. I gave these two questions as homework previous day. I hope you all have solved it. The difference between general questions on the separation of mixture and this one is here we have three components. Now don't get panicked that I'll mix everything and I'll give you and to write how to separate and all this. Very simple two example I have shown because this is also a type. Mainly you will get separation techniques with two components. Remember, you will get separation techniques with two components. This is just two examples. First one is sand, common salt and camphor. Now camphor is sublimable, sand and common salt both are not. So first thing we can go for sublimation. So you can write initially sublimation, then camphor gets separated and we have sand and common salt left now. We know common salt is soluble in water whereas sand is not. So first sublimation, then addition of water followed by filtration. So if we sublime camphor, it will get separated. We can collect the residue part or the deposit part then camphor will be separated. Then if we are adding water, common salt will get dissolved in it and then sand will remain as residue. We can filter and then sand will be separated. And we will get common salt solution which on evaporation we can get back the salt. So you will write the techniques only. That initially sublimation, then by adding water followed by filtration. Second is water, ethyl alcohol and oil. Water and ethyl alcohol, they are miscible with each other. Oil generally do not get mixed with them. Oil makes a layer over there. So they are initially separating funnel. So once we are adding separating funnel, the oil and water ethyl alcohol, there will be two layers. One layer only oil, another layer ethyl alcohol and water. So after separating these two layers, then we are having oil. One we have got the oil, then water and ethyl alcohol. Then we can go for fractional distillation to obtain both of them separately. So this can be a type of question, but mainly you will get questions on double mixtures, double components mixtures. Like simple, any one will be raised. Like you have water and ethyl alcohol. You can have common salt and camphor. This type of mixtures generally you will get. Once again to repeat the type of question from this part, I hope you all have revised already and we have revision test next day, that is a Monday we have revision test. So you need to read the principles of each technique. Principles of each technique, write down what you need to read from this separation part. Principle of each technique. Second is what type of mixture is separated by those techniques. Third is examples. Now these three things you have, if you have done, then it is very easy for you all to solve the mixture based questions. Like if previous day also we have seen that 5 mixtures I gave and then I have said that what are the methods. Previous day means previous week, and also previous week I gave a question answer PDF. There also it was the question 5 were given how to separate. Now suppose chromatography. Chromatography is a technique which is used generally for the mixtures where the components are of similar kinds. So if it is asked that what type of mixture is separated by chromatography, then your answer will be this. Mixtures where the components are of similar types, and also if they are of small quantity, it can be separated by paper chromatography. And if the question is what, give an example, then you can write the pigments from ink. That can be an example. Now similarly if you are having distillation process. Now one question I gave that what is the advantage of distillation over evaporation. Answer I think you all have received already, that evaporation process is a good process where we get back the solute but we do not get back the solvent. But in distillation process we get back the both. So distillation is a better process. But for a regular purpose, suppose we need to isolate salt from seawater or common salt from salt solution. In that case evaporation is enough because we do not want the water back. So other than the separation questions like how to separate common salt and camphor, water and ethyl alcohol, the question can be asked in this way also, that how will you isolate oil from a mixture of oil and water. Similar questions only, writing pattern is bit different, otherwise the question pattern is similar. So I hope you all have understood. You will be more clear if I give you the revision test question. So next week Monday I'll be giving a revision test question, and then I will discuss also the marking scheme as I do for other chapters as well. Keep revising, and next week we will be starting chapter 4, I think it is language of chemistry, where we will be once again revising the symbols. We will be learning the valencies of the elements, then writing the molecular formula, and then we have the framing of the equations. So making the formulas and all those we have done. We will learn about radicals as well. Little bit of transfer of electron, formation of ions, this also we have learned. So quite interesting chapter, understanding chapter. Next week we will be starting. Till then, take care and keep revising chapter 3 for the revision test. Bye.